Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now by moving straight to the iceberg zone. Equip light armor and a ranged weapon so mobility stays high. Once there, prioritize collecting 3 heat packs because the penguin key only appears during the cold phase. Make sure to activate the waypoint near the frozen cavern to save time and set a safe respawn. This prevents backtracking. You should not waste time with detours. Head directly to the northern cliff pathway and scan for the small glowing marker that signals the key. Once inside the cavern, follow frost trails and glowing penguin footprints. They lead to the lower chamber where the key hides. You should use your lantern to reveal hidden platforms and a suspended chest that only appears when light hits angled ice. Make sure to solve the 3-switch puzzle by pressing them in sequence from left to right. That drops the suspended chest. If you stay calm and move methodically, you'll trigger the spawn reliably. Do not rush the jumps or you'll miss the chest hitbox. You open the chest and grab the penguin key. Confirm it appears in your inventory by checking the icon slot immediately. Once done, return to the surface and place the key where the statue's beak opens. This completes the objective. If the key does not appear, toggle the day/night cycle or exit and re-enter the cavern to force a respawn. Make sure you have 3 heat packs and the lantern equipped before retrying. Finally, report the location on your map and return to the waypoint to secure progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.